What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dontavious, aka DT. First off, we're gonna be talking about something that I've been interested in lately. I am very interested in the shoe market, sneakers, and reselling and the collecting of sneakers. Period. Like that's definitely a side hustle or something like that that I would definitely probably pick up in the future, or something that I may want to do going forward in life. And yeah, I just want to talk a little bit about how I got into that. I've always liked shoes growing up. I mean, I had Jordans growing up. My parents would buy me Jordans or something, or when Christmas would come around, I would ask for these shoes or that shoe. And I've always pretty much enjoyed sneakers as a whole. And now I've been doing research lately and seeing how big like sneakers have gotten, and like how this industry has like continued to just build on top of each other and build and build and build. And so many people are interested in shoes in the sneaker game, and it's just become like a big fashion trend, and it's something that I feel like hopping on, because instead of just buying the shoes that I like all the time, I could also collect them or be able to get other people's shoes and stuff like that. So I guess today I'm gonna talk a little bit about how people resell sneakers, just from the research that I've gathered on my own. So first things first, you're gonna need some type of funds allocated to your sneakers. Save up some money from your job or whatever profession that you do, and just save up enough to buy your first sneaker. When you can buy your first sneaker, you're started. Cause when you get the money from that sneaker, when you get your profit back, you just reinvest that and then buy some more. You know what I'm saying? Just like that, and you just keep going and going and going until you can buy more and sell more. Another thing that you need to know where to buy the shoes from. So after watching YouTube videos and stuff, it seems like the best place to get your shoes from is off of Facebook Marketplace. And joining those groups, like joining group messages with like thousands of people or people in your local area, that is going to be the best place that I've seen so far to buy authentic sneakers. But sometimes there are still fakes, so you need to make sure you're going to a trusted seller. Also, you need to know how to resell the sneakers. Um, I know two apps that I know are very popular when doing this are Goat and StockX. So on those apps, you can see how much the sneakers are really selling for right now, depending on how the shoe market is, and that can influence what you buy. So you would basically go into those apps and list that shoe and list the qualities of that shoe. Size 11 and a half, Jordan 1, something like that. You would list the qualities of that shoe, and you would post it up for sale, and it would go to those authentication centers of those companies, GOAT and StockX. And that's how the selling process works. It's more complicated than that, but you would have to look into that. But I'm just giving my insight on what I know from the research that I've done and what I've heard. Because when you buy shoes, which I do buy shoes because I do like to collect shoes a little bit, and that's what I'm trying to start doing more, like actually getting into it. You learn about the other side of it, because like if you're buying shoes, you're gonna want to know, like, okay, is this shoe authentic? Where's this shoe coming from? So the fact that I started looking more into that because I'm getting shoes, it made me kind of get into like, okay, so what does it really take to resell a shoe? Like, what does it take to be on that side of things? And what does it feel like to have so many shoes and collect them? I want to know what that feels like. I want to know. But yeah, also, like I said earlier, when you get that money from that shoe, you want to reinvest that money and continue to let that money build up on top of each other. As you keep getting your shoes, you get your profit, you take that and you reinvest that profit into another kick or maybe two or three shoes, and then you hold those shoes and then you reinvest that. But that's just the basics of what I know. I don't know a whole lot about it, but I may sound like I know a little something about that because I watched some YouTube videos. Just like how I'm making this video, because I want to let my audience know something that they might not know. But yeah, that's the end for this video. Please like this video if you like this video, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. In the future, we got more videos coming on fashion, as well as my track meet vlogs that I'll be attending, and going to the different cities and seeing what's in these cities and traveling and having photo shoots and making videos with my teammates. So if y'all interested in that kind of thing, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for the future. And yeah, we out of there.